Hey tubers, this is 12 Prius. Dad doesn't want to start, and I go inside, try to start it. It shows radio sign. It makes a little thug, like if it wants to start. Boom, and it don't. Okay, so on the hunch filling, I told the guys to check if the engine assist or not. And of course the engine assist. Okay, they went with the wrench straight to the pulley over there, and they couldn't move it. Okay, and also this is bad. This is a mixture of oil and water. So all in all, the engine seized, and it needs a new engine. Please subscribe.